Okay, I just got my video boxes in and I haven't looked at them yet. We're going to do an unboxing. This is the first one I've ever done, so here we go. Super secure, good job. Whoever boxed them up. I'm going to try not to cut myself. No guarantees. Seriously, you guys have great marketing. Oh my gosh, those are cute. I love them. Who wouldn't want to get a pink house in the mail? Let's see what the insides look like. Quality, look, quality control, past quality control. This is actually an assembled box. Whoops. Another quality control. Pass. Look at that! They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Let's get real for a second. Everyone is advertising online now. Facebook, Google.
I love these. I love these so much. It was so freaking easy to create, and y'all were so patient with me. I take forever to make decisions. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love my boxes. I can't wait to get them out.